were really interested in getting into the current trends and how we can not only understand what other people are doing, but also talk to peers and expand our network.
Very rarely are you in a room with others who have that same passion. So I came here for a spark in my own career.
We actually came here as a group, so there's about 9 of us here. And all of the topics somehow kind of hit all of our points in our roles.
A lot of what was offered here was very directly related to what we're going through as a CPA firm.
I mean, it's day 2 and I'm already feeling like, oh my gosh, I'm hitting the ceiling here.
I saw all the speakers that this conference was gonna have, and that's what made me just make that final decision. I think this is a place that I need to go.
I know some conferences could be a lot larger, but with this conference, just being able to have the sessions and to have more, I guess, personal, intimate conversations.
You give us an opportunity to really dive deeper, make those stronger connections.
There's enough people here to really network with and learn a lot from, but it is small enough that it's not as intimidating.
We're beginning to step our toes into AI.
AI. And I was really excited to go to a session that actually laid out what the future of A could look like for HR. And it was empowering and awe-inspiring.
As soon as the session had ended, lo and behold, there were 5 of us from our company sitting together. And all of a sudden, you could see like where the ball was just kind of pinging back and forth already.
The journey mapping is something that we do, and looking at how different parts of HR is thinking about them and the personas that people are working with is really important.
One of the ones that I mentioned was performance management in relation to employee retention. And one of the suggestions was to establish focus groups to see if there were any underlying issues that we may not become aware of. That was actually really insightful, and it's something I'll bring back to my team.
It has absolutely lived up to my expectations.
It was really easy to have a lot of takeaways from the conference. Like, I will definitely come back to this.